Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 27, 2025, and we're diving into the third quarter financial results of Bank of Hawaii. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Bank of Hawaii's latest earnings report.
Let's get started. Bank of Hawaii has just released their Q3 2025 financial results. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and the highlights from this report?
Absolutely. Bank of Hawaii is a regional financial services company serving businesses, consumers, and governments in Hawaii and the West Pacific. For Q3 2025, they reported a diluted EPS of $1.20, net income of $53.3 million, and a net interest income of $136.7 million. These figures indicate a strong performance compared to previous quarters.
EPS and analyst forecast discussion. John, let's talk about the earnings per share. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of $1.13 based on a survey of 4 analysts. How did Bank of Hawaii perform in this regard?
Bank of Hawaii exceeded expectations with an actual EPS of $1.20, beating the forecast by $0.07. This is a significant achievement, reflecting the company's strong operational performance and effective cost management strategies.
What factors contributed to this EPS beat?
The EPS beat was driven by a combination of increased net interest income, which rose by 5.4% from the previous quarter, and a disciplined approach to expense management. Additionally, the company's focus on expanding its net interest margin and maintaining exceptional credit quality played a crucial role.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's delve into the revenue and profitability aspects. Bank of Hawaii reported a net income of $53.3 million and net interest income of $136.7 million. How does this compare to previous quarters?
The net income increased by 12% from the previous quarter and 32.2% from the same period last year. The net interest income also saw a healthy rise of 5.4% quarter over quarter. This growth is attributed to higher earning assets and improved net interest margins, which expanded to 2.46%.
What about deposit growth?
Average deposits increased by 7.1% annualized from the linked quarter, showcasing the bank's ability to attract and retain customer deposits effectively. This growth in deposits has been a key driver for the increase in net interest income.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's discuss the operational efficiencies and future outlook. Bank of Hawaii reported non-interest income of $46 million and non-interest expenses of $112.4 million. How does this impact their operational efficiency?
The bank's efficiency ratio improved to 61.53%, down from 63.49% in the previous quarter. This indicates better cost management and operational efficiency. The increase in non-interest income driven by trust and asset management fees also contributed positively.
What can we expect from Bank of Hawaii moving forward?
According to CEO Peter Ho, the bank remains focused on prudent expense management and long-term value creation for stakeholders. With a declared dividend of 70 cents per share, they are committed to returning value to shareholders while maintaining strong capital levels.
Asset quality and risk management. Let's touch on asset quality and risk management. How is Bank of Hawaii managing its credit risk?
The bank's asset quality remains robust, with a provision for credit losses of $2.5 million, down from the previous quarter. Non-performing assets decreased to $16.9 million, reflecting a strong credit environment. The allowance for credit losses stands at $148.8 million, indicating a well-prepared position against potential credit risks.
And what does this mean for investors?
For investors, this strong asset quality and prudent risk management suggest a stable and secure investment. The bank's ability to maintain low levels of non-performing assets and a solid allowance for credit losses is reassuring.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Bank of Hawaii has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025 with significant growth in net income and an EPS beat. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Bank of Hawaii's consistent performance, strong asset quality, and commitment to shareholder returns make it an attractive investment. The declared dividend and robust financial metrics indicate a positive outlook for the future.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analysis. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Bank of Hawaii's performance in the comments below.